day 3 or day 5 embryos, which gives you a better chance to pregnancy. Now, if you're going through IVF, this is one of the most confusing decisions that one will have to make during this journey. So today, let's understand this concept in detail. I'll break it down to you practically so you can be more equipped to take that decision and discuss it more confidently with your doctor. So now, as you already know, once the egg retrieval is done and the fertilization is done by ICSI or IVF method, the embryos start growing in the lab. Now, day 3 embryo stage is the most crucial stage in the embryo development, and it's called as the cleavage stage embryos, where the embryos are generally in the cellular stage and you can actually count the number of cells. So, day 3 embryo is usually 6 cell or 8 cell in number. From day 3 to day 5, the embryo undergoes a very radical change. The number of cells increase exponentially. There is a change in the entire structure of the embryo. A cavity forms, there is an outer layer, there is an inner cell mass. And this entire structure is what is called as a blastocyst or a day 5 embryo. So technically, day 5 embryo is more advanced, more developed than day 3 embryo. It has gone through a selection process. And why we are discussing this concept of day 3 and day 5. So this decision becomes important, especially when you have fewer number of embryos, less number of blastocysts have formed in the previous cycles. The embryo quality is a bit borderline. In this particular scenario, sometimes we make the decision of transferring day 3 embryos. Why? Because here the embryos get a chance to grow and develop better in the body, in the uterus, which is always a better environment than a lab. So this is one of the most important reasons where day 3 embryos are taken for transfer. And then in what situations day 5 embryos make sense? So day 5 embryos or blastocysts make most sense in almost all situations when you have more number of embryos, when you want to have a better selection at number of embryos, when you want to specifically do genetic testing. The another important reason is that day 5 embryos have proven themselves. They have grown till that stage, and naturally also in the body. Day 5 is the stage of embryo when it actually comes and implants into the uterus. So this is where you are trying to mimic the body as much as possible, and day 5 is the most ideal stage because this is what is actually happening inside the body. So definitely doing a day 5 embryo transfer makes sense when you have these many options. You have more number of embryos you can select, and you can have the genetic testing also, especially when there is a case of repeated miscarriages or previous genetic anomalies. So doing an embryo biopsy using a day 5 embryo gives the best results. So I really hope that this concept is now clear to you regarding day 3 versus day 5. None of it means that one is better and the other is worst. A good embryo will implant at day 3 also, will implant at day 5 also. I hope this video helps you take this decision better, and for more such simple science-packed and honest advice on fertility and IVF, do follow my channel and message if you have any such queries.